Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Welcome to Uncle's Talk Show. Uncle, we have been talking a lot about Latin America, their cuisines, their style of lifestyle, Spanish language, and the more about how to go to the Latin American to visit their countries. So, can you tell us about how to pronounce the Latin American countries?
Okay, Tahir Faruqi, always a pleasure to have you. And my hello and regards to my students and to the viewers. I'll speak in English and I'll give you some Spanish words for the pronunciation of the countries. Latin American countries, European countries, Asian countries. Let's start from Latin American countries. How the countries are pronounced in English and then the translation in Spanish. It's very useful video. Remember, if you want to be a traveler or you are going around the world and you want to increase your knowledge, that is going to help you as a traveler and make you a bridge for a better communication with nations, you are more than welcome to join the club. Okay, so Uncle Faruqi is here to serve you. Let's start in Latin America. Let's start from Central America. There are 8 countries in Central America. It starts from Mexico, but you call Mexico in English Mexico, but in Spanish Mexico. Mexico. Okay? Then the second country is Guatemala. Guatemala in English. In Spanish, Guatemala. Guatemala. Now it comes to the third country of Latin America, Central America. Belize in English, Belize, but pronunciation in Spanish is Belize. 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 Now we go to Honduras. Honduras in English. The fourth Central American country. Honduras. In Spanish, in Espanol, Honduras. 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 Now we go to El Salvador. El Salvador. El Salvador in English. El Salvador in Spanish. El Salvador in Spanish. El Salvador. Now we go back to the sixth country. Seventh country. Nicaragua in English. Nicaragua. It's almost the same in Spanish. Nicaragua. Nicaragua. Okay? And then comes the seventh one, Costa Rica in English. Costa Rica in English. Costa Rica in Espanol. Costa Rica in Spanish. Okay? And then the last one is Panama. Panama. In Espanol, in Spanish, Panama. Panama. Now let's go to the upper side of the continent, North America. In USA, you can call Estados Unidos. USA or North America in English, but in Spanish, Estados Unidos. Estados Unidos. Or América del Norte. América del Norte. Canada in English. Canada in English. Canada in Spanish. Canada in Spanish. Let's go to the countries in South America. Suriname. Suriname, it's almost the same. Suriname in Spanish. Now it comes to Venezuela in English. Venezuela in English. Venezuela in Spanish. Venezuela in Spanish. Colombia. in English. Colombia in English. Colombia, Spanish. Colombia, Spanish. Peru in English. Peru in English. Peru, Spanish. Peru, Spanish. Ecuador. Ecuador in English. Ecuador in Spanish. Ecuador in Spanish. Bolivia in English. Bolivia in English. Bolivia in Spanish. Bolivia in Spanish. Paraguay in English. Paraguay in English. Paraguay en español. Paraguay en español. Uruguay in English. Uruguay, English. Uruguay in Spanish. Uruguay in Spanish. Argentina in English. Argentina in English. Argentina, español. Argentina, Spanish. Chile in English. Chile in English. Chile in Spanish. Chile in Spanish. All right, now we go to Europe. England, English, Spanish, Inglaterra. France in English. France in English. Francia in Spanish. Francia in Spanish. Germany in English. Germany in English. Alemania in español. Alemania in Spanish. Belgium in English. Belgium in English. Bélgica, español. Bélgica in Spanish. Suiza in Switzerland in English. Switzerland in English. Suiza in español. Suiza in Spanish. Holland in English. Holland in English. Holanda in Spanish. Holanda in Spanish. Romania in English. Romania in English. Romania in Spanish. Romania in español. Hungary in English. Hungary in English. Hungría in español. Hungría in Spanish. And keep going. Let's go some countries in Asia, and those are Italy, like in Europe. Italy in English. Italia in Spanish. Italia in Spanish. Spain in English. Spain in English. España in español. España in Spanish. Portugal in English. Portugal in English. Portugal in español. Portugal in Spanish. Let's go some countries to Asia real fast to finish this video, so you can have these names. And that's let's say Turkey. That's in English. Turkey in English. Turquía in español. Turquía in Spanish. And let's go to Iran. Iran in English, or Iran in English. Iran in español. Iran in español. Afghanistan in English. Afghanistan in English. Afghanistan in Spanish. Afghanistan in Spanish. Pakistan in English. Pakistan in English. Pakistan. Pakistan in español. Pakistan in Spanish. And you keep going. Let's say Thailand. Thailand. It's almost the same. Thailand en español también. Y ya los dejamos. Hay muchos países más. En otro video le voy a hablar, pero por el momento trate de acordar de esto. Try to remember what I've just taught you and make a use of it. Pronounce it well. It's going to help you a lot for your future travels and for your future knowledge about the language. Thank you very much. and subscribe it, like it, and make the program stronger so I can help you out to learn languages. And the program is for free, and get some enthusiasm and send some likes to make the program stronger. Thank you very much.